battery life is good, but not P20 Pro good. All-day life from its 4,000 mAh battery. P20 Pro outlasts it despite having the same size juice pack. Despite sporting the same number of mAh, packing the same chipset and running the same version of Android and ME, the Porsche-designed Huawei Mate RS battery doesn't quite live up to that of the Huawei P20 Pro, the current generation battery champion. In our 90-minute video playback test, the Pro only lost 9% while the Mate RS lost 17%. This is still perfectly respectable, putting it above the likes of the Huawei Mate 10 and Samsung Galaxy S8 and corroborating the day-long battery we got from the RS with regular use. That said, you may want to avoid hammering this thing too hard if you know you'll be away from the charger for a full 24 hours. This lesser life could be down to software optimizations, but is more likely due to the QHD resolution display on the Mate RS. It's worth noting that the Porsche-designed Huawei Mate RS also supports fast charging and, unlike the P20 Pro, wireless charging, which is also fast. In fact, according to Huawei, it's 80% faster than the wireless charging offered by the iPhone X.